Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Bitcoin's price has taken a hit, but experts say this might just be a brief hiccup. The crypto market was on fire just days ago, with Bitcoin reaching nearly $97,900. However, since then, it's dropped by 4.3% to around 93.5K. Despite this downturn, the overall trend is still bullish. In fact, Bitcoin's dominance over other cryptocurrencies has surged to its highest level since January 2021, a whopping 70%. This means that riskier altcoins are losing appeal to new investors. Bitcoin spot ETFs have seen significant inflows, $4.5 billion in just 3 days alone. And the appetite for Bitcoin futures isn't slowing down either. In fact, the open interest in Bitcoin futures has jumped by 21% since March 5th, with a whopping $13.5 billion on display. But what's behind this bullish outlook? Well, there are several factors at play here. Firstly, institutional investors just can't seem to get enough of Bitcoin, and now they're doubling down, literally. Strategy, a US-listed company led by Michael Saylor, announced that it'll be buying 1,895 more Bitcoins on top of its existing holdings. Another reason for the optimism is that this recent drop hasn't slowed down the pace of institutional adoption. The Chicago Mercantile Exchange alone has seen a huge increase in demand, and that's just one part of a broader trend. With US-China trade relations still being a wild card, it's clear that investors are looking for reassurance before taking the leap. So, what does all this mean? Well, experts say that a new all-time high is within reach. And with Bitcoin's dominance on the rise and institutional interest at an all-time high, not to mention the recent influx of capital into strategy, it looks like Bitcoin has got its best friends in town. As the world watches the crypto market for signs of life, one thing is clear. This brief hiccup might just be that. The real question now is what happens next and whether Bitcoin will finally break through the $100K barrier.